In this video, we'll look at solving a linear equation. Now, looking at this equation, I want to start by distributing the 3 here. So I'm going to distribute a 3 to x, and that'll give me 3x. I'm going to distribute a 3 to 2, which will give me 6. Now, let's go ahead and combine like terms. I see the minus 6 plus 4. That will give me minus 2. And then I've got to move the x's all to one side. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides. That gives me 2x minus 2 equals negative 6. Now we look at what's happening to x. It's being multiplied by 2. It's being subtracted by 2. So we're going to do the opposite. So we're going to add 2 to both sides. That'll give me 2x equals negative 4. And then we'll do the opposite of multiplying by 2, which is to divide by 2. And that will give me x equals negative 2 here.